Namaste. Welcome to Watch and Learn Hindi. Today's video is part of a series of videos where in each video I will take a single word, just one Hindi word, and teach you the correct pronunciation of that Hindi word, tell you its meaning, and perhaps most importantly, give you 5 example Hindi sentences for that word and explain those sentences in detail. Yes, that may sound a lot for one Hindi word, but this way, with each video, you will not only learn a new Hindi word, but also how to use it in different contexts and scenarios. And I believe this is something that you will find very useful and helpful if you want to become fluent in Hindi, to be able to understand and hold conversations in Hindi. But before we start, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and after this video, you can explore the channel and check out my other videos. If you are already subscribed, thank you. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get notifications when new videos are posted. To support the channel, you can either buy me a coffee, the link is in the description, or buy a super thanks, which you can find on your screen right below this video. And don't forget to like this video. Let's start. The word that we are going to learn in this video is kal. Kal. And this is a very interesting word because it can either mean yesterday or tomorrow, depending on the context. In this video, we will focus on its meaning as yesterday. So let's start with the first sentence. Kal Mangalwar tha, which means yesterday was Tuesday. Here I have used Tuesday as an example. You can use any day of the week, and if you want to learn all the days of the week, you can watch my short Weekdays in Hindi and English. Now, let's get back to the sentence. As I told you, kal can either mean yesterday or tomorrow. So how do we know that here it means yesterday? It depends on this last word that I have underlined in the sentence, tha. Whenever you see tha in a sentence or you hear in a sentence, you know that whatever we are talking about is it in the past tense. Tha is always past tense. And that's how we know that kal here means yesterday. Now tha is the masculine version. The feminine version is thi. Tha is masculine, thi is feminine. But they are always past tense, both of them. So here in this sentence, kal is yesterday, Mangalwar is Tuesday, and tha tells us that kal here represents yesterday. So tha is past tense and masculine, which means Mangalwar, which is Tuesday, has masculine gender in Hindi. A tip here, all weekdays have masculine gender in Hindi. So if you're talking about any of the weekdays and in past tense, you will use tha. If you want to practice, you can try to say sentences with different days, the same sentence. So you can try to say yesterday was Sunday or yesterday was Monday, and so on and so forth. This sentence is kal Mangalwar tha. Yesterday was Tuesday. Now let's go to the second sentence. Kal chutti thi. Now even before we translate this sentence, if you look at the ending, you see thi. And you just learned that thi tells you two things. One, the sentence is in past tense. And second, whatever we are talking about in the sentence, the gender is feminine. So here we are talking about chutti, which means chutti has feminine gender. Now let's see what chutti actually means. It means holiday. कल छुट्टी थी. Yesterday was holiday. You can watch my video, Gender in Hindi, where I give you examples of 50 different everyday objects, what their genders are, and how to use them in sentences. The link is in the description. Let's move on to third sentence. कल मेरा जन्मदिन था. And again, before we even translate this sentence, you look at tha. Tha tells you that kal here is yesterday, and whatever we are talking about in the sentence has masculine gender. The translation is yesterday was my birthday. So kal is yesterday, janmadin is birthday, and mera is my. So mera janmadin is my birthday. Here we are using mera because janmadin has masculine gender. If you are talking about something feminine, then we will use the word meri, which is the feminine version of my in Hindi. Kal mera janmadin tha. Yesterday was my birthday. The fourth sentence is slightly different from earlier sentences. कल मैं बहुत व्यस्त था और थी. So this sentence can end with either tha or thi. That of course tells you that we are talking about something in past tense, and that's why the translation for this is yesterday I was very busy. Kal is yesterday, मैं is I. Busy is व्यस्त and बहुत व्यस्त is very busy. Now, why is this sentence ending either tha or thi? That is because it depends on the gender of the person speaking this sentence, whether the sentence will end in tha or thi. So, if the gender of the person speaking this sentence is masculine, they will say, कल मैं बहुत व्यस्त था. If the gender of the person speaking the sentence is feminine, they will say, कल मैं बहुत व्यस्त थी. Yesterday I was very busy. The last sentence is a little bit complicated, so we'll discuss it in detail. कल सरिता ने बहुत स्वादिष्ट खाना बनाया था. Here, as you can see, tha tells you that the sentence is in past tense. So kal means yesterday, and also that whatever we are talking about has a masculine gender. The translation for this sentence is yesterday Sarita made very tasty food. Sarita is the name of the person who made the food. So we are talking not about Sarita but about the food. That's why Sarita's gender does not matter how the sentence ends. It depends on the gender of khana, which is food. Khana has masculine gender in Hindi, and that's why you see the sentence ending in tha. Bahut is very, swadisht is tasty. So bahut swadisht khana is very tasty food. And Sarita ne banaya tha means Sarita made. Made is past tense. Banaya tha is also past tense. So, कल सरिता ने बहुत स्वादिष्ट खाना बनाया था. Yesterday, Sarita made very tasty food. Now to wrap up this video, we talked about kal, which can either mean yesterday or tomorrow. In this video, we focused on yesterday, and you learned how to identify when kal means yesterday. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notification when a new video is posted.